This cat is called largest pair sum in an array. What do we have to do? Well, we have a list here with numbers, and we basically have to find out what the sum is of the two largest values in the list. See this example? Here we have the largest value, which is 99, and the second largest value is 23, and we have to return the sum of that. Let's go. Well, first of all, how do we find the largest number in a list? Well, for that we can use the sorted function, print, and then sorted the numbers. That will return the list in an, what is it called, ascending order from low till high. So let's assign that to numbers. And why do I want to use this? Well, because first of all, we can extract the largest value as follows. We just return the last value, which is indicated with the -1. So we use square brackets and then -1, and that returns the largest value, 23. So let's assign it to a new variable, largest underscore value. And similarly, we can extract the second largest value. So let's call it second largest value, again with slicing. So we use numbers, square brackets, and then -2. And that returns the second largest value. Let's check it. Yeah, 19. Okay. And what we basically have to do from here is to return the sum of it. And well, we can just return the largest value plus the second to largest value. And that will return 42, I guess. Yeah, 42. So that should be it. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Passed all the tests. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.